maximum height attained. This one height, that is h height, we will find the expression for this height h, that is we will take the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square, because uy is u sin theta, and t will take we will take t by 2, because this projectile will take time, half time to cover this maximum height, this t by 2 time that time of is clear. We will then ay is minus g this, then we will put the value of t, that is 2u sin theta upon g. Here g we will put, sorry this is wrong, so it is u sin theta 2u sin theta upon g and divided by this 2 that is already in this formula, plus or minus we will take g by 2u sin theta upon g into 1 by 4 and its square, because this t by 2 square, 1 t by 2 square is 4 and ordered this square, that this 2 and this 2 will be cancel out, and u and u will be u square sin square theta divided by g, minus g by this 2 into g, 2 into 4 is 8, this 2 4 u square sin square theta upon g square, and this will cancel out 2, and this equation will become h is equal to u square sin square theta upon g minus u square sin square theta upon, and this 1g and g is cancelled, clear, upon 2g. Then we will take LCM 2g, it will be 2u square sin square theta minus u square sin square theta, it will be u square sin square theta upon 2g, this is h, means maximum height attained. Next is horizontal range. Horizontal range means the distance covered along horizontal from 0 to q, that is capital R, along horizontal distance we will say. So again we will use s is equal to ut plus half at square, or instead of s we will take r and uxt plus half axt square. Now to cover distance from this O to Q, it will take full time capital T, so we will put t, and ax already we know that along x-axis this acceleration is 0, so r is equal to u cos theta into capital T. We will put the value of capital T, that is 2u sin theta upon g, this 2u square sin theta into cos theta divided by u. The formula of 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sine of 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sine of 2 theta. We already know that in mathematics this is. So it is equal to u square sine of 2 theta divided by g. This is 2 theta, not square. Clear? This is the equation. Then angle for maximum range. If range should be maximum, then what should be the angle? Means if we want this distance, maximum distance covered by the projectile, then what will be this angle? Theta. So for that, in this equation use k sin 2 theta upon g. If r will be maximum, it means this sin theta term should be maximum, because u is already constant, initial velocity we are giving it, and g is already constant, that is 9.8. Clear? So this term should be maximum. For r maximum sin 2 theta should be maximum, and maximum value of sin theta is 1. We know that sin 2 theta is equal to 1. So sin theta 1, when it will be 1, sin 2 theta is equal to sin of, when it will be 90 degree. So 2 theta is equal to 90 degree, theta is equal to 90 by 2 means 45 degree. When this angle of projection will be 45 degree, then this will be a maximum range. So we can say that for maximum range, r maximum will be u square upon g only, and angle will be 45 degree. Clear? Now next last topic of this chapter is uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. When an object follow a circular path, the object should be follow circular path at constant speed. The motion of the projectile is said to be uniform circular motion. Clear? So with this our fourth chapter is completed, means our second unit is finished. Fourth chapter, and we can say that our second unit is completed. If you have any problem up to this, you can ask.